오늘 가보실 음식점은 마치 1980년대, 90년대 어느 한국 그 도시에 있는 그런 번잡한 그런 중국 음식점 같은 그런 분위기입니다. 아주머니 말 많고 뭐 수다라 해야 될까요? 아니면은 뭐 손님들한테 잘해주려고 그러는 건지 모르겠지만 뭐 그렇지만 상당히 맛있는 돼지고기가 있더라고요. 제 친구는 이거 마약 섞은 돼지고기다 이렇게 얘기를 하는데 그 한 1에서 10으로 평가할 때 한 9? 이 정도로 맛있는 그런 음식점입니다. 그 메뉴에 대해서 다른 음식은 안 먹어봐서 잘 모르겠어요. 일단 한번 보시죠. Hello guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Or similar.
Ah, okay. So what are we having? Does it have?
Let me see if you can see it here.
Okay.
But I don't see it. There's special pork. So we have
Okay. Where?
No, it will take a while to look for
Okay.
it. I don't know where it is. Oh, this one.
Ah, this one. It's like almost like bacon.
It's sweet and sour at the same time,
Ah, okay.
and I can't explain the flavor.
Okay.
It may be made with something, a mysterious ingredient that we don't know. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, mysterious ingredient. Yeah, that's
There you go.
okay. So this is it. Wow. So how should we eat this? Just the
Be prepared. We're going to wait for you to taste it first. So
okay.
be our guest.
Okay. Let me try. So just take a little piece.
If you don't die, then we try it.
Okay. So I'm a guinea pig.
Right now, yes.
Okay. Okay. Let me see.
Let's see what your taste buds tells you. Are you still alive?
Wow, it's pretty
What
good.
happened?
Yeah, I mean pretty good.
Now we can start.
Okay. But it's like it's not sweet, but it's too sweet. You know what I'm
That's a
saying?
great explanation.
Yeah.
This is the first explanation that I received that is so perfect.
Yeah, I
It's
mean
sweet, but it's not so sweet.
exactly.
I don't know if you like it or not. It's not saying anything. It's keeping quiet.
That means it's good.
We will have to guess.
Very good.
Was I right?
You are right. Why there are so many Chinese in Panama?
Construction of the canal.
That's it? Or is there any other reason?
No other reason. That's the main reason.
So they came and they stayed.
They came and they stayed.
But why they didn't go back? Because back then China had a lot of problems.
When the Spaniards brought slaves, it wasn't just people from Africa.
Yeah.
They were Chinese, they were Indians.
Yeah. But
I don't know about Chinese people that could build the Panama Canal because they are more related to business, to to selling. So eventually they realized that they were not the ones to be on the heavy work. So they specialized on other stuff that they could be better, like food and stuff. And eventually they blended in with the Panamanians to the point where if you go to a convenience store in your neighborhood, you will call the convenience store Chino. You call it Chinese.
Are you serious? Wow.
Instead of going to the convenience store, you go to the Chinese.
There's a little bit of fat that actually have a very good flavor. Maybe that's what makes this one very sweet or nice. Like people said the fat is not good, but if there's no fat, then there's no flavor.
Fat and salt.
Yeah.
No salt, no fat, no flavor.
Because salt is like okay, it makes food salty, but I think it enhances the flavor. Yeah.
Totally agree with you.
Yeah.
But I told you, you will taste it and you will come back.
Yeah, true, very true. I would like to. I wanna come back for a full meal.
Don't let her win. Don't come back.
She's gonna say, I remember you.
You were the Korean guy that didn't want to have a proper meal.
Yeah, exactly. Wow. This is the...
Are you like?
very good, yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
We have the law of praise. It's very good too. Okay. You have to come back to try different praise.
Okay. Okay.
My English is not so good like you.
No,
We
yours is
understood,
very good.
and that's what matters. Nosotros entendimos.
Pero muchas cosas yo no sabía hablar, pero yo trataba de hablar para que hable claro, un poquito.
Nosotros entendemos y eso es lo que funciona.
Idioma para comunicarse, no tanto como sentía como ellos. Pues. Para ayudarte a entender, como usted me dice, es importante se entiende, me da gracias.
Yo te
de verdad.
entiendo,
Eso, bueno,
funciona.
eso como dice, los libros también dicen, no importa como correcto, perfect gramática, pero important the persona que entiende, the people understand what you say, it's okay. You can communicate, yeah, it's important.
If you are, si no te vas a morir, if you don't die, you are communicating.
Exactly.
So, now you have a new friend.
Yes, now I have a new friend. Okay,